So we're going to work on graphing some examples so that you remember how to graph an inequality. The first thing you need to remember, and I think I gave you some notes on this, is what the symbols are. We want to make sure that no matter what, when you're in the graphing mode, that you have your variable on the left side of the symbol. If your variable isn't on the left side, you need to turn it around so that your variable is on the left side before you graph it. This one says x is greater than 4. So when we go to write our number line, the most important number here is 4. And because there's no equal to, it's going to be an open circle. And greater than means you're going to shade to the right to values that are larger than 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a million. And that's all we need to do. For number 7, it says t is less than -3. Less than is interesting because it's formed by your left hand. See, your left hand makes a left hand, less than symbol. And so you can look at your left hand and think less than. -3 on the number line. And this is also open circle. Open circle because there's no equal to. All right, so you have open circles when there's no equal to. -3, anything less than is going to be to the left because left is smaller. So we're going to get -4, -5, -1,000. All there. Number 9, m is greater than or equal to -1. So when we make this number line, the -1, of course, is the most important. We're going to circle it, but because it says equal to, we're including this value, and that's why we have to have it solid. So this is a closed circle. Difference between open and closed means line or no line. So if there is a line, you color it in. No line, don't color it in. We want greater than -1. Greater means we're going toward the positives, which means we would have 0, 1, 2, and 50. All those numbers are bigger than -1. Lastly, x is less than or equal to -2. So we are going to, of course, graph -2. This is a less than symbol with an equal sign. So that means I'm going to circle it, but I'm also going to color it in because that's an equal to. So it's solid or closed. Less than means we're moving to the left because we want values that are smaller than -2. And that would be like -20, -100, -5,000 right here. So now that you have a good idea how to graph them, we can solve them and then graph them because that's our goal for today, to solve and graph our inequalities.